Did you know Alan Rickman quietly changed a life? In 2005, a teenage girl with cystic fibrosis wrote him a letter looking for hope. Doctors said she didn't have much time left. Alan Rickman wrote back, immediately. And for 10 years, he never missed a month. No press, no credit, just kindness. Those letters became her lifeline, and she survived against every medical expectation. After he passed away, his estate sent one final message, and helped to support her dreams. She's now thriving in her 30s. That's the power of real humanity.